Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys some new toggles that I've just found out about today on Dress to Impress. So the soccer ball actually turns into a beach ball, and I just found that out like now, which is funny because it's been here all along and I did not notice it at all. But it's super duper cute, as you can see. And then there's this top, which has an actual like bandana toggle. It's not working currently for some reasons, but there is a bandana toggle. Hopefully Dress to Impress will fix that. And then these glasses, they turn into an oval shape as well, as you can see. Oh, sorry, a circle shape more than an oval. And then these turn to a circle toggle as well, which you might have known about. Then on this belt, there is a few toggles. I already knew about that, but the ones I did not know was the beach ball and the top. I might just share that with you guys. So yeah, that is pretty much it really for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.